Hello students, today now I am going to explain what are the solution of the pair of linear equations. So that is why I have already taken three examples here, three pairs. First pair of linear equation in two variables, second pair of linear equation in two variables, and third pairs of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so I am going to explain that the what are the graph of these two pair of linear equations. Either they intersect with each other, they are parallel, or they are coincident. Okay. So from one students, from one I am taking here value of x and y. Suppose I am putting here x is equal to 0. For x 0, y is equal to what? 10. And for y equal to 0, x also 10. So the points are 0, 10. Points are 0, 10 and 10, 0. ठीक है. सेकंड में from 2 draw another table here. For x0, y what here? x0, y equal to x0, y is equal to -4, right students? And for y0, x is equal to 4. Okay, so the points are 0, -4 and 4, 0 students. So now draw the graph of the equations. X, so x dash axis, x axis, and this is y axis. Okay, so it is 0, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10, 0, 10, and this is what? 10, 0. So encircle this point. Now joining these two. What you get? This is the equation x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Similarly, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So 0, -4, 0, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0, -4, 0, -4, and 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 0. So encircle it and join it. Okay. So what do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is we get here 7 and 3. This is 3 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is 7, 3. So the number of boys and girls participated. Boys is 3 and girls is 7. So okay, से वो बाद में बात करेंगे. सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चंस को अलग सा इस लेक्चर में सॉल्व करूंगा. तो आपको देखिए यहाँ पर जो पॉइंट बना 7, 3 बन रहे. दैट मीन्स तो मैंने वैसे ही तो मुझे याद था और एक्यूरेट हो रहे हैं तो मैंने बता दिया बच्चे आपको. बस हमारा मेन मकसद है कि दे आर इंटरसेक्ट विथ ईच अदर और नॉट. यस, दे आर इंटरसेक्ट. देन कम टू द सेकंड वन. From 1, we draw a table and get 2 points. As the 2 points is required to draw a line. So x0, y is equal to here 2 and y0, x is equal to 4. From equation 2 students, x and y, x0, y is equal to 3. x0, y is equal to 3 and for y0, x is equal to what here? y0, x is equal to 6. So now draw the graph of this pair of linear equation, two variables. This is x axis and this is y axis. So this is 1, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now student 0 2, this is 0 2, 0 and 2, and this is 4 0, 1 2 3 4 4 0, right? So now join this. This is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And another is 0 3. This is 0 3, 0 3. And this is 6 0, 6 0, 6 0. So students, look at here. Here, the geometrical meaning of these two what straight lines are what parallel with each other. हमें लगता है ये दोनों parallel है, ये never intersect. Now come here students. From 1, what you get? We calculate 2 points because 2 points are required, at least 2 points are required to draw a straight line. As the geometrical meaning of this pair of lines are what? Straight lines. So x0, y is equal to 3 here. y0, x is equal to here not. We write here, suppose I am taking y is equal to here 3. So, no. 4 suppose. 4 suppose I am taking y is equal to 4. 12. No. Again I am taking. Suppose it is 5. Okay, 5. Now 3 5 is 15. It is minus plus 6. Plus 6. Not second. Minus 3. Okay. So minus 3 now, minus yes. Right students? So similarly from 2. Be concentrate here. It is very important one. Actually, I am going to explain you that what are the solutions if these two lines are intersect with each other, two lines are parallel with each other, and two lines are coincident with each other. We prove it. Students never learn anything else. Just understand, then learn. Then here I am writing here again 0 3. If I am writing yes 0 3 and minus 3 5 I am taking. So students, draw the graph here. X-axis, this is y-axis, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 0 3 0 3 and minus 3 5 minus 3 5 3 4 5. This is minus 3 5. Okay, now joining these two. So here each same, both the equations have same points as common. So this is same straight line represent here two equations. Okay, so they are coincident here. Here they are what? Coincident. Here they are parallel, जो मैं पिछले पार्ट में बताया था, and here intersecting with each other. Intersect. ये तीन चीज मिला. Now compare while they are intersect with each other. Compare their coefficients. Compare their coefficients. Here in this equation, you know, A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to minus 10. Okay, you know that A1x students, A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0, and A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. ठीक है, ये दोनों a pair of linear equation in two variables. The general form of a pair of linear equation in two variables. So what is a1 here? 1. b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 10, a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to minus 1, and c2 is equal to minus 4. Students, tell me, a1 by a2 here, only 1, b1 by b2, 1 by minus 1, yani minus 1. So what you get here? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. तो हमें कंक्लूजन में पहुंचे, जब दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरसेक्ट होते हैं तो पॉजिटिवली a1 by a2 is never equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 b1 b2 के साथ इक्वल नहीं होते, राइट? सिमिलरली come here. So what is a1 here? a1 1, b1 2, c1 is equal to minus 4. Similarly a2 is equal to 2, b2 equal to 4, c2 is equal to minus 12. So tell me, a1 by a2, a1 by a2 here, 1 by 2, b1 by b2, 2 by 4, also 1 by 2, c1 by c2, minus 4 by minus 4 by minus 12, it is 1 by 3. So what you get? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is never equal to c1 by c2. So this is the condition when the two lines are parallel with each other. And here calculate, here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 equal to what? Minus 9, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 6, c2 is equal to minus 18. So a1 by a2 here what? 2 by 4, b1 by b2 here 3 by 6, 2 by 4 means what? 1 by 2, 3 by 6 means 1 by 2, c1 by c2 also 1 by 2. So what you get? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, right? Okay students, so what to conclude here? So they are consistent. Consistent means if a pair of linear equation, if the pair of linear equation is said to be consistent if they intersect with each other. Okay, तो इसका मतलब consistent कहते हैं हमें इसको, ये स्टूडेंट्स, a pair of linear equation which has solution, a pair of linear equation which has solution. solution कौन सा केस में आते हैं? यहाँ पर एक ही solution मिलता है, okay, यानी we get a value of x and y here and also in the third part में भी हमें क्या होता है? बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस मिलते हैं because these two lines are coincident with each other, एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ जाते हैं. तो here are what? Only one line, straight line, दोनों एक लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. और मैंने आपको बताया था ये लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, पहले फर्स्ट में पार्ट 1 में स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बताया था, जो हमें 9th क्लास में चैप्टर 4 में पढ़े हैं. ये लीनियर इक्वेशन in two variables represent a straight line and it has infinite many solutions. So इसीलिए इसका नाम क्या है? Infinite many solution होता है. तो ये भी consistent है. तो यानी a pair of linear equation which has solution, they are known as consistent, and a pair of linear equation which has no solution are known as inconsistent. Okay students, तो आपको मैंने आशा करता हूं कि आपको समझ आया होगा कि a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 जब होता है तो इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, दैट मींस वो कंसिस्टेंट होते हैं. और इसको यूनिक सॉल्यूशन भी कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? यूनिक भी कहते हैं. यूनिक क्योंकि एक ही पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. एंड हियर a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. इस केस में हम इसको क्या कहते हैं? इनकंसिस्टेंट भी कहते हैं. इसके बेटे हमें कहते हैं कंसिस्टेंट भी कहते हैं. एंड यहां पर हम क्या कहते हैं? नो सॉल्यूशन भी कहते हैं. नो सॉल्यूशन भी कहते हैं. और हम इसको कहते हैं इनकंसिस्टेंट भी कहते हैं. एंड यहां पर हम क्या कहते हैं? कंसिस्टेंट भी कहते हैं. कंसिस्टेंट, ठीक है, क्योंकि कॉमन पॉइंट बहुत सारे हैं. एक पॉइंट तो है और कॉमन पॉइंट भी बहुत सारे हैं, ठीक है. और इसको भी इनफाइनाइट मेनी सॉल्यूशंस भी कहते हैं. इनफाइनाइट मेनी सॉल्यूशंस भी कहते हैं. ओके, सो कंसिस्टेंट मींस ए पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन व्हिच हैज सॉल्यूशन, उसको कंसिस्टेंट कहते हैं. और जिसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं है उसको इनकंसिस्टेंट कहते हैं. ओके, और बेटे हुई हमें इसको क्या कहते हैं? इसको भी हमें बेटे कहते हैं डिपेंडेंट पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस भी कहते हैं। ये जो कोइंसिडेंट है जो सॉल्यूशन हमें मिला उसको हमें डिपेंडेंट पेयर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस भी कहते हैं, क्योंकि एक इक्वेशन दूसरे इक्वेशन के ऊपर आ जाता है, एक दूसरे के ऊपर वो डिपेंडेबल है। जस्ट ए मिनट, मैंने फिर भी एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं आप लोगों के लिए। कंसिस्टेंट पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन, consistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations, a pair of linear equations which has solution is known as consistent pair of solution, is known as consistent pair of linear equations, pair of linear equations. Then inconsistent pair of linear equations, a pair of linear equation, a pair of linear equations, a pair of linear equations which has no solution, which has no solution is known as inconsistent pair of linear equations, right? अभी अभी डिस्कस किया था और डिटेल्स में बता देता हूं। देन ए पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन व्हिच हैज इक्विवेलेंट, equivalent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equation which has equivalent, a pair of linear equation, a pair of linear equations which has equivalent, which are equivalent, which are equivalent, has infinite many distinct common solution, infinite many distinct solutions. A pair of linear equations which are equivalent as infinite many distinct solutions is known as equivalent pair of linear equations. Okay. Note that a dependent, so this is known as not equivalent, these are dependent pair of, गलत बताया था मैंने, dependent pair of linear equation, a pair of linear equations which are equivalent, has equivalent मतलब एक जैसा, has infinite many distinct solutions is known as dependent pair of linear equations. Noted that a dependent pair of linear equation, a dependent pair of linear equations are always consistent. कंसिस्टेंट। ओके, ये भी आपको नोट करना है। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ये बताया मैंने आपको कि ए पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस which are equivalent has infinite many distinct solutions। सो मैंने बता रहा हूं आपको सॉल्यूशंस के रिगार्डिंग। वी हैव a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0। इस केस में if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 then the solution is what? सॉल्यूशन को हमें क्या कहेंगे? यूनिक सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं, यूनिक सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं। और क्या कहते हैं? यूनिक सॉल्यूशन इंटरसेक्टिंग एट ए पॉइंट, जो मैंने अभी बताया था आपको, ग्राफ के जरिए प्रूव कराया था, इंटरसेक्टिंग एट ए पॉइंट। और भी हम क्या कहते हैं इसको? कंसिस्टेंट भी कहते हैं। सॉल्यूशन को क्या कहते हैं? कंसिस्टेंट भी कहते हैं। फिर नेक्स्ट वन इज इफ a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 then solution क्या हो जाता है बच्चे? यहाँ पर पैरेलल होते हैं, नो सॉल्यूशन होते हैं, और हम क्या कहते हैं? इनकंसिस्टेंट, इनकंसिस्टेंट भी कहते हैं, जो मैंने प्रूव कराया, अभी बताया आपको, डिफाइन कराया। डिपेंडेंट पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2। तो सॉल्यूशन यहां पर बेटे क्या होगा? सॉल्यूशन इज कोइंसिडेंट, देन इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन, इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन। और उसको भी मैं बता दिया, डिपेंडेंट पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस आर ऑलवेज कंसिस्टेंट और कंसिस्टेंट भी कह सकते हैं। Right students? So here are the three conditions to find the solution of a pair of linear equations. Okay, so students, I think you must understood. In next lecture I will prove how to solve a pair of linear equation using graphical method, substitution method and elimination method. Okay, thank you students.